Hello guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we have the Suzuki Alto. These are 2016 model. This car has an issue with the transmission, and as you can see, this right here shows the warning light for the transmission. And let's see the trouble code that is going to bring. We see on both sides of the engine, and also this comes with the P030, that's the oxygen sensor heater. We go now to the transmission control module and see the trouble code that it's going to have. So the code is P080A, that's clutch position not land, TCM safety processing failure. That's the same repetition of DTC. Also, adaptive limit of the clutch has been at limit. So as you have this code, that means you need to reprogram and learn the gearbox back to life. So this is the clutch after replacement. So this car had an issue with the dragging and also could not pick accelerate very well, and needed a new pressure plate and also a clutch. And after clutch, you need to reprogram with the machine. So I'm going to show you the process. So you're going to the special function, and this here you find all the special functions that you are going to do. Also the all learning involving installation, clutch assembly initialization, and step by step is going to show you every step that you're going to do. Mostly when you miss at the programming, it's going to show you program failure, and sometimes it will not start in case you miss the point of the programming. So basically that's how we do it. I'm going to show you a part 2 of this, so remember to subscribe and watch for more. You see.